Hello friends, today we are going to solve this problem, library find. Let's try to understand the problem statement. Your local library needs your help given the expected and actual return dates for a library book. Create a program that calculates the fine if any. The fee structure is as follows. If book is returned on or before the expected return date, no fine will be charged. That is fine equals to 0. If the book is returned after the expected return day but still within the same calendar month and year as expected return date, fine equals to 15 hackos into the number of days late. Okay, if book is returned after the expected return month, this is expected return month, this was return date, but still within the same calendar year as the expected return date, the fine equals to 500 into the number of months late. Okay, if the book is returned after the calendar year in which it was expected, there is a fixed fine of 10,000 hackos. Charges are based only on the least precise measure of lateness. For example, whether a book is due January 1st, 2017 or December 31st, 2017. If it is returned January 1st, 2018, that means year is changed. That's why the year late and the fine would be 10,000. Okay. Okay, this is very simple problem. This is for, I can say, this is for beginners. Those are starting their journey in C++, C or C++. Okay. Let me to write down the code directly. First of all, see, actual return date is D1 M1 Y1. This is the return date, and D2 M2 Y2 is due date. So actual return date we have to check. First, let's consider the year. Right, it is very straightforward. If actual return year is greater than the due year, then we can directly return 10,000. Otherwise, what might be other cases? Other case is if month, there is a difference in month. Okay, so due month is less than the actual return month, then also there will be a problem. But for that, we have to check if year is same or not. If year 1 and year 2 are same and month is different. Okay, so if M1 is greater than M2, here M1 is month in which we are actually returning, M2 is the due month. Okay, so in this case, what we should return? We should return the difference in month. How many month we are late? Multiplication with, this is fine is 500 into the number of month late. Okay, so let's do that. And another case is this one, number 2. This is if there is a difference in the day. If we are late in day, so how to check it? If we are saying year is same and we are saying year is same, month is also same, and day 1 is greater than D2. In this case, there is a delay in the day. Okay, so I hope now easily you can tell what should be the instruction. Okay. So how to calculate how many days we are late? That is D1 minus D2 and multiply with 15. Okay, and one thing is left. Okay, so if the book is returned on or before the expected return date, then there won't be no fine. If everything is failing, then finally now we are confirmed that there is no delay, so let's return 0. Now run the code and test. Sample test is good. Now let's run all the test cases. Great, all the test cases are working fine. There are all total 16 test cases. Great. I hope you understood the program, the approach that we should have to take while solving this kind of problem. Thank you very much. See you soon. Bye.